The DataXchange manufacturing dashboards display and communicate key production information that is meant to solve your specific manufacturing issues and evolve your shop floor. Collecting machine data is only the first step. DataXchange machine monitoring's true value comes from how effectively exposed data is communicated and utilized throughout your organization. DataXchange machine monitoring addresses common manufacturing issues by offering an unlimited number of user-configurable manufacturing dashboards, showing the necessary information for your shop floor improvement. The manufacturing dashboards in DataXchange deliver the right information to the right people at the right time. When manufacturing data becomes accessible to more parties, tailored to their functional needs, it enables faster decision-making, along with the ability to accelerate their respective workflows, leading to increased production visibility and fast, accurate communication of production information. The DataXchange machine monitoring platform comes with multiple manufacturing dashboards that can be viewed on smartphones, tablets, and PCs, and include the Equipment View and RTV, real-time viewer. All DataXchange dashboards are accurate, easy to use, intuitive, and infinitely configurable, showing you the necessary metrics to give you production insight and continually improve your processes. The DataXchange Equipment View is a powerful real-time dashboard that caters to all levels of employment in your production facility. The Equipment View is a configurable and dynamic dashboard that contains equipment cards detailing individual equipment and their real-time production status, as well as other user-demanded data points. The Equipment View is composed of filterable data points that can be viewed, including the current equipment status, in both a high-level summary and more detailed definitions. Other trackable metrics that can be turned on or off on the Equipment View include overrides, good and scrap part counts, the current program and work order being worked on, material status, and many more. The Equipment View also includes a section displaying whether your monitored equipment is achieving the utilization rates that you set. Equipment View can be displayed remotely on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices, but is also commonly displayed on screens that are visually accessible on the shop floor, so that operators working in a cell, managers, supervisors, and executives can always be in proximity to their production metrics, whether they're on-site or not. The RTV real-time viewer inside of Scytec DataXchange is another infinitely configurable manufacturing dashboard in DataXchange machine monitoring, and can craft dashboards specific to your shop floor and for specific departments, such as maintenance, quality, or programming. Each RTV dashboard screen has a purpose and is meant to show the appropriate data for the area where the dashboard is being displayed, whether it shows simple or extensive shop floor metrics. The RTV has a dashboard designer that can be accessed in the browser and on a mobile-based reporting tool, Data Display. It allows DataXchange users to create an unlimited number of dashboards from DataXchange charts and reports, suited for monitoring their specific environment and solving their specific problems. This dashboard designer found in the RTV allows for endless configurability, not found in rudimentary machine monitoring products. After a DataXchange user has created a specific RTV dashboard, they can send that dashboard to anyone via a URL, and even have RTV dashboards sent to necessary users and groups on a scheduled basis so that you can be prepared for production meetings or Gemba walks. The Scytec DataXchange real-time viewer has customizable rotation functionality, allowing continual movement through your manufacturing dashboards so that you are always able to monitor your equipment and solve your specific shop floor concerns. Common RTV views include daily equipment status, showing a breakdown of your equipment production statuses, utilization dashboards highlighting your machine's performance against targeted utilization rates, alarm dashboards detailing active alarms, alarm descriptions and alarm frequency trends, shop floor layout, which provides a bird's eye view of your production facility and what's currently happening, OEE dashboards detailing machine availability, performance, and quality, and a host of other useful dashboards. When manufacturing data becomes accessible across your organization, teams make faster decisions, improve communication, and respond more effectively to production challenges. The DataXchange manufacturing dashboards are flexible, scalable, and designed to support continuous improvement initiatives across your operation. With clean, visual dashboards presenting the most important production information, manufacturers can integrate real-time data into daily routines, encouraging collaboration, accountability, and proactive decision-making. DataXchange Machine Monitoring provides the tools and real-time insights manufacturers need to compete in today's evolving manufacturing environment, ensuring manufacturers evolve their shop floors. For more information about Scytec DataXchange Machine Monitoring, please visit scytec.com.